What's up guys, Shifty here, back into the game with another video, and it's time for another male find unboxing. And this package comes from Ben Green and his wife Michelle, all the way from the USA. Man, check this out, from Los Angeles. And oh boy, I have to be a bit what here. I was really curious about what's inside the box, so I kinda took a peek inside and got a small idea of what's in the box. So alright, let's go ahead and do some magic editing with this video, and let's keep to the house. Whoosh! Teleportation back at home. Alright, so I'm sure you guys are excited as I am to see what's inside the box. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright. So starting from the top right here. Yes, so these are road machines. What's this right here? Is this a Porsche? Is this a Nissan? Oh, it's an RX-7. And the thing, I'm actually not quite sure what the brand this is. It's from Hong Kong. I asked my friends from the Tomica Diecast group. By the way, shout out to you guys for helping me out. They're not quite sure what it is as well, so check this out. This is a really cool car. For now, I'll keep it carded. I'm not sure what these are worth, you know. I don't want to, like, if it's a really old rare car, it might, you know, be better to just keep it carded for now. Don't worry, I like to keep my cars loose, but for now I just want to know what they are before I open it up. Then we have this really cool Corvette Stingray right here. Oh man, you can tell it's really old from the packaging and the stickers that we used back then. They all turned yellow in the blister pack. Come and check that out. The next right up, we have another Corvette Stingray. This one we have different wheels, and this one is Muscle Machine, while this is a sports car. So look at that. This one is what? This one doesn't have an opening doors, so it's a split window Corvette. Pretty cool. Next right up, we have what appears to be a Nissan 300ZX. Please correct me if I'm wrong, guys. The names of the cars are not labeled, but check this out. Green. I love green, and I think it has opening doors too. It's just that it closed on itself because it does have the plastic wings right there for the door to open. So ooh, look at that, sneak peek. Hey. Then next right up, we have, what's this? RV pickup. So this one is a pickup truck. And oh, what's this? This is what? Dodge Ram? No. Oh, it's a metal base. I think there's a name right here. I'm trying my best to see right here, guys. Oh, it's actually this way. No, I can't. Oh, it's a Chevy step side. Oh, it's a Chevy step side. Black wagon. Look at that. That's sweet. Then, alright, so you can see here are some of the stuff. Very nice packaging. Oh man, thanks for the packaging, Ben Green and Michelle. It's really nice. The cars are arrived safely. Then, oh, what's this? This one doesn't have any, oh, whoa. Okay, this is something I know. This is a Majorette? Majorette what? There's no name of the car. I think it's there. Oh, but the words are, oh, this is a vintage Majorette, man. The old style Majorette car. Oh, this I can admire. Check that out. Ville of Paris. Oh man, that's awesome. The next one right here, we have more of those cars. We have Super Wheels. Oh, and this one is, oh, it's coming out of the package. So let's go ahead and just see this. So cherry picker, and I think there's stickers on the car itself. And does it have suspension? No, it does not have suspension. And the wheels, okay, this one is, oh, there you go. Wheels right there. Interesting. Not sure what this is. I need to do some research, you know, but check that out. Then more right here, we have Super Classics. And oh, whoa, is this a Bugatti? The classic Bugatti? No, not sure. Yeah, there's no names on the packaging, you know, so I'm not sure what it is, but check that out. Look at that. This is what, yellow or lime green color? I can't really see it because, you know, the packaging, the blister is already turned yellow, so I can't really tell. So check that out. Then, oh, another one of those. We have classic cars with different wheels. So, so far, I'm guessing this is a Yachtming car. But if it's a Yachtming car, I'm assuming they will have their logo on it. So yeah, I'm not really sure what these cars are. But I have a thing for vintage cars. You know, you gotta appreciate the how do you say it? Old cars. You know, you gotta appreciate the elderly or the top of, you know, our great grand cars. Oh, that's a really weird term, but yeah, we need to appreciate them, man. So these are really cool. So this is another one of those. Oh, I think, oh, I remember the name. Could be a classic Caddy. I'm guessing it's a classic Caddy or Bugatti, or I don't know, or just a classic car. And then a Hot Wheels car. Right? Whoa. Oh man, Long Shot, aka Long Gone. I mean, whoa, Long Shot. So it used to be called Long Shot, but I think some of you are aware. This is called the Long Gone casting. Oh man, check this out, the hot ones. Oh, I do have the the Walmart Hot Ones, you know, they recreated the package, but those are, you know, of course, recreated their replica. Oh yes, replica, that's the word I'm looking for. But this, oh, this is the real deal, guys. That's awesome. Should I crack this open? Alright, no, not now. This is really cool. Check that out. Alright, then another one right here. RV pickup. Another one of those, assuming step. Is it a Chevy Stepsider, I think? Let's go ahead. Let me see right here, guys. Oh, look at that. The base, yes, corroded, sadly. So I can't really tell the name, but here it is. Look at that. Interesting pickup right here with some, what's this? Sun Valley decals. Then another one, RV pickup. Is Sunshine Chevrolet. It says Chevrolet on the trunk or the bed of the truck right there. So this could be a Chevrolet something, obviously, I'm not sure. Look at that. That's cool. And let me see right here. There's, whoa. Ah! Oh my god, guys. Oh man. So you either know what this is or you don't. So, for those who don't know what this is, this, my friend, is a Diora. A vintage Diora all the back from, is it 1960 or 1969? 1967. No, I mean, also it's a 1968 because cars are usually 1 year before where they're created. So this, my friend, is a 1968 Diora. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys, this is what, one of the original Sweet 16s? Oh man, like when it comes to true vintage cars, I'm a scrub. I'm really not sure, you know, like, this thing is sweet. Yo guys, check this out. It is badly beaten. You can tell that a kid once played with this car a lot, you know. And the surfboards, interestingly, they're still new. I'm not sure if they're switched out or whatnot, but the car itself is the important part. Oh, my very first Sweet 16 vintage RLC redline car. I'm not really sure what the proper term is. Oh, that's so sweet. Check this out. I'm at a loss for words, man. You guys blow me away when you guys send me your fan mail packages and whatnot. So, oh, this thing is sweet. Cherry on top for this package. Alright, so enough fanboying. There is one more car right here we need to look at. Okay, there, I'm gonna admire you later on. We have one more road machine right here. And this, what seems to be, okay, there is no name, but I really like that these cars have opening features, but I'm not quite sure what the name is. So yeah, road machines right there. So just to double check, there is no more cars right here. So yes, those are all of the cars. Give me guys a second, I'm gonna go and lay them on the floor. So here is an overview of all of the cars. Really nice selection of cars, vintage cars right here. The ones that I particularly liked was this split window Corvette with the opening doors, and not to mention the stars and stripes design going on the roof of the car. Also the long shot or long gun, which one you want to call it. Hot Ones, Hot Wheels cars. This is my very first Hot Ones cars, I think, in my collection. So this is a new thing for me, first time. A majorette vintage truck right here, check that out. And not to mention, lastly, this Diora right here. I really love this Diora. You guys know me, I love my Dioras, so check this out. Once again, guys, this is an overview. Awesome. And that concludes for today's Mail Find unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed as much as I did. I absolutely love these cars. So once again, a huge thanks goes to Ben and Michelle for sending me these cars. If you guys want to see me unbox these cars and crack them open, check this out. I cracked them open. Be sure to head over to my second channel. I did a small raw uncut footage of me opening up these cars, and you know, it's like a vlog style video. So if you guys want to see that, be sure to click the I, which should appear right now, right there, which will bring you to my second channel. Or if the future me forgets to put the I right there, you can go ahead and go to the description below, which I will have the link to my second channel as well. I'm a scrub, I'm quite forgetful, so if the future me forgets, yeah, the link to my second channel is in the description below as well. So that's it guys for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy. Have a good day, have a good evening, depending on where you live, you know. Happy hunting. I hope you find some good cars, and I'll see you guys next time, and I'll leave you with a small slideshow with some up close snapshots of these cars right here. Bye bye.